Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line mushrooms in the pot. I'm going to go in first and I'm going to base coat the background of my mushroom in this color Rustic Red, and it is a darker red. And I'm going to use this for all of my mushroom tops. And then following this, I'm going to go in with putty and cotton, and I'm going to do the underside of my large mushroom. And also all of my polka dots I'm doing in the cotton color, which is just a bright white. Just finishing the rest of those sections with putty. And I also used putty for the base and stem on most of my smaller mushrooms. Following that, I'm going to go in with terracotta for my pot. And I'm going to fill in the polka dots on my pot in cotton. And then I'm going to go in with the color pine cone for the top of my pot. And then following this, everything will be base coated, so I'm going to allow everything plenty of time to dry completely. And then I'm just going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and outline everything. And then once I'm done outlining, I will trade my marker for a paintbrush, and I will be using a number 4 round and just some of the color cotton, and I'll highlight here and there everywhere just to brighten and soften up my look. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.